So the last video in the Unit 10 Multiview Drawing Packet series is how to visualize the end view. Our end view is going to be considered the right side view. So the authors are calling it the end view. We are going to always refer to it as the side view or the right side view. So again, a lot of this is going to be review. We've done a lot of work with visualizing and identifying and shading the front view. The same for the top view that you just saw the other day. And now we're wrapping this up with the side view. So again, now we're just going to stand to the side of the object, or we're going to rotate that object in our mind to the side view. And it's going to be the right side. As you see here with the three examples, it gives you a basic idea of what that side view is going to look like. So in this first example here, it has that backwards L shape, which corresponds with the backwards L shape here in this view. The middle one here shows two rectangles. The bottom rectangle here that the cursor's on corresponds with this rectangle. The rectangle on top, as the packet has discussed before, is the far piece, which is here. And then we might find some more intricate shapes where now we're stacking rectangles on top of other rectangles, or rectangles with some type of backwards notched plane. Either way, we only need to find the right side view. In the next section here, it's going to ask you to look at and practice visualizing the end view. Now, as I mentioned before in the top view, to help you better identify that side view, feel free to pause the video and shade in their example, the side view, and shade it and locate it in the 3D object. Again, just trying to give you ways to better understand how to find each respective view and draw it or shade it in. So it gives you 16 good examples here of what the end view or side view is going to look like. In fact, some of these examples that we've shown and looked at, you've already drawn in centering the drawing, or you will complete in certain assignments or assessments for multi-view drawings. So don't be afraid to check back into this packet of the sections for front view, top view, or side view, and use it as your answer key for your drawing assignments down the road. So to wrap up, we can see now how to draw the end view. This has been redundant. We can see it's still the same 5 steps. Identify and find the shape in number 1. Block out a rectangle in step 2. Measure out the details in 3. Draw in construction lines in 4. Darken solid object in step 5. We still also have the near far. So to wrap up, what I'd like you to do is shade in the end or the side view of these 6 objects. Now, I did not shade in number 1 for you. I'd like to see if you can find all 6. Now, I have provided the answer key on the next page. Yet what I'd like you to do, though, is pause the video and begin to shade in the right side view of these 6 shapes. So at this time, if you would, please pause the video, shade it in. So to wrap up, here is the answer key that shows the side view shaded for each object. We have in number 1, a near, a middle or medium, and a far. So we should be able to see a rectangle on top of 2 small rectangles stacked together. In number 2, we have a rectangle on top of an upside down U shape. This piece here is our near, this back rectangle is the far. In number 3, we have a small rectangle in the near, and now we have that slope or that angle for this piece. Number 4 is going to look like a U shape, and this is where it gets deceiving. This angle, this slope going back is not higher than the top of the side view. So you'll see the U shape and then a skinny rectangle. This does not project and go above the height of the side. Number 5 is going to have this backwards L shape with a triangle on it. And then in number 6, we have 3 rectangles stacked up. The near, that medium or middle, and that far piece. Again, if you're not sure, please ask for help. So this wraps up the 3rd video of this series with identifying the side view. Thank you for watching. Thank you for actively participating and shading in these objects for the 3 video series that we've created for you. And again, at any time you need help, take a picture of what you're working on, email it to me, bring it up to me in the class. This is going to become very, very easy the more practice that we have. So again, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.